Hello students, good afternoon. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now again I am here for your online lecture of subject maths, and I have told you in our last lecture that we have completed our syllabus for half yearly exam, that is chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Now what is remaining? Only the revision time that is given on page number 54 in your maths book, only that is remaining, and the question that are given in this exercise is similar to the questions that we have done in exercise. Okay, so you all know how to solve those questions. So again we are doing that exercise as a revision. Okay, take it as a revision of half yearly exam, and we will do the written work. So all of you open your notebook, take out your pencil, your eraser, sharpen your pencil and open new page on your notebook. Open new page on your notebook and open your book also, and open page number 54. Open page number 54. So the questions that we are doing today is given on page number 54. So first of all, what is the date today? That you have to write here. Write here date, today's date. And write on the top of your notebook revision time. Write here revision time. REVISION revision time, and underline it. Write date and write heading. Now see what is the first question written. All of you look into your book. First question, A part. Write the numbers from 45 to 54. Only one question is given, A part, and that is write the numbers from, start writing with me, copy from the board and copy correctly from the board. Question 1, A. Write WRITE. Write the THE, the numbers, NUMBERS, numbers from FROM, from 45 to 54. First of all, you copy the question. This question is given in book also. If you want to copy the question from the book, you can copy the question from book also. Write the numbers from 45 to 54. Question 1, part A. 3 parts are given, A, B and C, and only one question is given. So I will write some extra question also. Question 1A, write the numbers from 45 to 54. So write the answer. So 45 is written. Now after 45, which number will come? 4 6 46, then 4 7 47, then 4 8 48, then 4 9 49, then 5 0 50. After that 5 1 51, then 5 2 52. After that 5 3 53, and last number is 5 4 54, because you have to write the numbers from 45 to 54. So your last number will be 54. Again read all the numbers. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Copy the answer from the board. Write fast. Now one more question I am writing here. Try to solve this question yourself. This question is not given in your book. Write the numbers. Write the numbers from 81 to 88. Do yourself this question. Write the numbers from 81 to 88. This question, two numbers already I have written, 81 and 84, and what you have to do, you have to fill in the box that the numbers are missing. You have to fill this box with the missing numbers, and till 88 you have to write the numbers. That means 8 number you have to write. Now check your answers. I hope all of you have done it. So 81 is already written. Now after 81, which number will come? 82, 82, then 83, 83, then again 84 is written. Then after 84, 85, 85, then 86, 86, then 87, 87, and last number will be 88, 88. Now copy the answer, those who have not written. And both the numbers write inside the box. Written. Now the next question. This question is given in the book, B part. But B part already we have written, so write that as C. C. First let us read the question. What is the question? Write the numbers from 97 to 88 backwards. In this series we have to write the numbers in backward. Okay, backward counting already we have written 100 to 1, 50 to 1, 100 to 50. So in this question we have to write the backward counting, backward numbers, okay, after before numbers from 97 to 88. So start writing, copy the question from the board. C. Write WRITE. Write the numbers. Write the numbers from from 97 to 88 backward. BACKWARDS. Copy the question. First copy the question, then we will write the answer. How many boxes have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After writing the question, you leave one box and then write these numbers, okay? Write clear so that you are able to understand, you can read easily what you have written. Okay, once again I will read question for you. Write the numbers from 97 to 88. You have to write the numbers from 97 to 88. That means you have to write backward numbers. So first number is written 97. Now we have to write till 88. Now the number that just come before 97. Which number will come before 97? 96. The number that come before. We have done before numbers. So in the same way, while we are writing backward counting, we write before number. So 97 is written. So the number that come before 97 is 96. Now that the number that come before 96 will be 95, 95. Then before number of 95 is 94, 94. Then what will be the next number? Before number of 94 is 93, 93. Now what will be the next number? 92, 92. Next will be 91, 91. Then which number will come next? The number that come before 91 will be 90, 90. Yes, now the number that come before 90 is, which number come here? 89, 89, and the last number will be 88, 88. If you want to identify whether you have written correct or not, what you will do, you will read the numbers in this form: 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. The sequence is correct. That means the backward counting, backward numbers that you have written is correct. So copy the answer from the board and I will give you one extra question. Okay, so try to solve this question after writing C, D. Try to solve question number D. Write fast. Write the numbers from 39 to 30. 39, 36. Okay, try to solve this question D, and write fast. Write the numbers from 39 to 30 backward. Backwards. While writing backward numbers, only what you have to do, you have to write the before number. One step, write before number. So this will be easy for you. Write fast. Check your answer. First again, read the question, write the numbers from 39 to 30 backward. Again you have to write the backward counting from 39 to 30. So 39 is already written. Now what is the next number that you have to write? A number that come before 39 is 38, then 37, then 36 is written. Now write the before number of 36 will be 35. Now which number will come after 35? 34. Now next number 33, then 32, then 31, at last 30. I hope you all have written correct. Okay, so those who have not done, copy from the board fast and try to solve the question yourself. Now the last question that is given in the book, C. What is the question? Count in tens. Tens you have to count in tens and write the next number. Fill in the box with a number by counting the numbers in tens. Okay. So first write the question. Question D we have written. Now E. Count, COUNT. Count in tens. 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 Box are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First of all, write the question. write the question, count in tens. First of all, what is the meaning of tens? What is the meaning of 10? Tens means 1, 0, 10. So you have to count in tens. That means you have to add 10 to the given number, and after adding 10 to this number, you have to write here. And in this way, we have to fill all the box by counting the numbers in tens. So 10 is already written. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. So next number will be 20. Okay? Because we have to write the number by counting in tens. And the first number that is written is 10. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. So next number will be 20. Then again add 10 to this 20. So 20 plus 10 will be 30. So next number will be 30. Now what will be the next number after 30? Add 10 to it. 30 plus 10 will be 40. Okay. So count the numbers that already we have written. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now next number will be 50. 50. In this way we are counting in 10. हमें 10 में count करना है. This we are writing the number in counting 10. So 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50. After 50, 60. Then after 60, 70. Then 70 after 70 will be 80. 80 after 80 will be 90. And after 90 will be 100, 100. In this way we can fill the boxes by counting numbers in tens. What we have done? We have count the numbers in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. Now one more question I will give you. So try to solve this question based on count in tens. Okay. So first you write the answer of E, question number E. Then try to solve this question, count in tens, question F. Count in tens. Okay. So I am writing only. Try to solve this. Three, 1, 31. Now try to solve and write the numbers after counting in tens. Okay, after counting in tens. Try to solve this question. Okay, what I will do, I will explain this question and you try to solve the next question. Okay, I am again explaining this question, then again I will give you one question to solve. Okay, so you try to solve the next question. So 31, while you will count the numbers in tens, the next number after number of 31 will be 41, then 51, then 61, then 71 and last will be 81. So while you are counting in tens, only your tens place digit is changing. क्या हो रहा है? When you are write the numbers counting in tens, यहाँ पर भी देखेंगे 0 as it is है, बस जो आगे का number है that number is changing. After 1, 2 is come, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, are you understanding? In the same way, see here I have written 31. Then 41. तो 1 जो है वो उसी tens place is fixed. Sorry, 1's place is fixed. If the number that is written at the 1's place is as it is 1, 1, 1. only what number is changing? Tens place number is changing. 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. That means 31, 41, 51, 61, 71 and 81. Now try to solve this. Try to solve this. 25. Now this is also counting in tens, okay? So try to solve this question. Remember, only the tens place digit will be changed and the ones place digit will be as it is. जो 5 है वो वैसे का वैसा रहेगा, सिर्फ जो 2 है वो आगे आगे इंक्रीज होते जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? ओनली the tens place digit will change and the ones place digit will be as it is. So try to solve this. Try to solve this question fast. Okay, now check your answer. While you are counting in tens, I told you that only the tens place digit will be changed and ones place digit will be as it is. So 25 after 25, 35, then 45, then 55, then 65, then 75 and then 85. Okay, only the tens place number is increasing one by one and ones place number will be as it is. Okay, so for today it is sufficient and we will continue with the same revision time exercise with another question 2 and question 3. So till then, good day, have a nice day and keep practicing maths.